Hello guys, today I'm going to teach you how to run effective analysis just with your phone. Whether you're using Android phone or you're using iPhone, I'm going to teach you how to run effective analysis. Many of my students have been asking me how they can run effective analysis that can give them $100, $200, $300 profit without having to use a computer. Okay, so today I'm going to show you how to do that very easily. First and foremost, you open your MetaTrader 5 or MetaTrader 4, whichever one you're using. In this case, I'm going to be using MetaTrader 5. They are the same thing. So you come over to this plus sign, you click this plus sign, then you search for the currency of your choice. In this case, I'm going to be using GBP USD. Okay, if you don't see the currency, you can, if you can't see it from the search, you can check it manually. Let's go over to Forex minor fees there. Okay, let's check Forex major. GBUSD is a Forex major pair. Okay, fine, we have added GBUSD. How do we now start doing analysis? Okay, you hold it and then you click on chart. So once your chart opens, you can wait for it to finish loading. So as usual, remember what I taught you, how I taught you how to do analysis. You have to first of all start from the top down analysis, from the highest time frame down to the lowest time frame. So we're going to implement the same process here. So we go over to monthly. So if you can't see the screen very clearly, if you can't see the chart information very clearly, you should flip your phone. Auto rotate. So I usually advise all my students to flip their phone so that you can see the informations in the chart very clearly. So from here now, we are seeing that GBUSD is currently buying, is currently bullish, and it has broken the highest high the market made. This was the highest high. You can see this previous candle, this previous week, that was where that was the highest high the market did. Now this new information, now the market has broken this former high. So since the market has broken the former high, what we are expecting is probably, this is a monthly time frame, what we're expecting probably is a retracement and then continue on the trend. So let's go over to daily. So from the daily, you can see that the market's already making some retracement already. And remember, one of the secrets I usually tell my students, that the daily time frame is your friend. The daily time frame is your friend. What the daily time frame is doing, if the daily time frame is selling, just sell. Just wait for a good analysis. Don't just enter. This is 2024. Don't just rush into any random trade. You can wait for A plus setup, where you know that you can set a trap. I usually tell my students, set a trap and allow the market to enter your trap. Then you can use any kind of lot size which will favor you. But by the time you start fighting the trend, or you start trying to follow the trend, you might lose money. Why not set a trap? Don't trade much, trade less, set a trap. And then once the market enters your trap, you can now enter with your full chest. Okay, let's continue. Currently right now, there's a slight retracement on the daily time frame, the daily candle. Let's go over to the H4 to see what's going on in the H4. Okay, it's loading. So you can see it's selling on the H4. It's selling on the H4. So I'm going to tell you what to do next. Just follow me. Let's go over to the H1 and see what's going on the H1. Just with your phone, you don't even need too much tools. You don't need too much tools. So the H1 also is selling. It's currently selling. So let's start marking out levels from the 4 hours. Start marking out levels from the 4 hours. So pick up our horizontal line, place it here. This is the previous high. This is the previous high the market made. You can still go over to daily time frame, and this is the previous low. Previous low. Go over to the H4 again. So we can bring this over here. Can bring this over here. Can bring this over here. Sorry. Can delete it. Okay. Can get the horizontal line again and bring this. This is the immediate low. That means if this candle that is retracing, this is the immediate low. This other one, let's get the horizontal line again. This is the immediate low actually. Markets reached pushed up. So if anything should be breaking this low, probably should be giving you a confirmation that this is a sell trend. But we remember we can't just jump into the sell trend just like that. So let's go over to 30 minutes. Most times I just trade without even in a month. Most times I barely open my computer. I can just draw lines on my phone and then I'm in. I make cool money. Okay. So you can see it didn't break that low. It reached halfway and started pulling up again, which still gives us a sign that indeed this market is a buy market. But let's still go over to 15 minutes to see what's going on 15 minutes. If you're not in my Telegram channel, please try and join my Telegram channel. I'm going to be dropping the link below in this video. My Telegram channel is where you'll be getting signal, daily signal, free signal that will be giving you 200 pips, 300 pips daily. Okay, now that we are in 15 minutes, the next thing after you have marked out your high, your first high, your highest high from the H4, and then your lowest low, your immediate lowest low from H4. The next thing we need to start looking out for now, guys, is structure. Structure. Without structure, we are playing. You must be looking out for structure. Structure is what is the market structure like? What is going on in the market from the lower time frame? Whether we are from the structure, we'll know whether to jump into a buy or jump into a sell. So currently, right now, from the structure now, I can clearly see a head and shoulder pattern playing out. So if you don't know what's head and shoulder pattern, please do well to watch my previous video, or I will also drop the link to the video in the bio, or it will be showing up here. So do well to watch my previous video about head and shoulder pattern. So head and shoulder pattern is a very strong, what is to call it? It's a strong structure when you are trading. Whether you're trading stock or you're trading currency, it's a very strong confirmation structure or confirmation. You can call it confirmation chart. Okay, now from here now I can see head and shoulder pattern playing out here. Let me mark it. There's a head and shoulder pattern. There's a head here, there's head here, there's a head here, and then so what next should I be doing right now? The next thing I should be doing right now is to look for okay, what we should be looking for now. We have seen the head, we have seen the shoulder. So let's just see the base of this head and shoulder pattern. Then if the trend break, or if this candle breaks below the base of this head and shoulder pattern, then we will know that is a sell trend. If it has not broken, then we have to wait. So obviously and currently we'll pick up our horizontal line again. So when you are doing analysis with your phone, your mobile phone, your horizontal line is your major your major tool you'll be using. So this is from all indication, this is the head. From all indication, okay, let me see if I can use this tool. From all indication, this is the head, this is the shoulder, and this market actually broke. This is the base where you see this line. This is the base, or you can call it, yeah, it's still the base, you can call it the base. So this market has actually broken below the base. So now one of my rules is, once the market breaks below the base, wait for a retracement. Yeah, sometimes it retraces to consolidate before it will now break again. So now, while it went up for a retracement and now it's coming down again, so we'll now wait for it to break out again from that base. Once it breaks out from that base, we can now take a sell. Okay, so with this indication, I can boldly tell you that the market GBP USD is selling. GBP USD is selling. So you can either enter your sell now, or you wait for it to break out again. There was a breakout, a retest, and then it's breaking out again. So you can either wait for it to break out again. So this lectures I'm giving now is for people that are just starting out in Forex. You don't have a computer yet, you don't have a laptop yet. You can be trading, you can be using your phone like this and make good money. You can make $1,000, $2,000. Then you raise money to buy a laptop for yourself and then start doing analysis on the laptop using Trading View, where you'll be seeing the chart very boldly. But you can be doing this. If you don't want to spend too much, you can be doing this comfortably. Once you know what you are doing, just like me, I can't be moving about with my laptop. You get? So I can always run analysis on my phone. So I'm going to take this trade right now. So we're going to take this trade, flip our phone back again. So I will take this trade. Remember that proper risk management is the best. So always follow proper risk management in everything you are doing. No matter how accurate your analysis might look like, the market can always turn the other way. You get? So always have this in mind. There might be factors that can make the market change direction, like news, many other things. You get? So always use stop loss in your trade. So now, where should we put our stop loss? Okay, I can flip the phone again. So now we can enter this trade right here, or wait for a breakout. Once you can see it has already broken out with a wick, so we can respect that wick. We can follow the wick. So we can enter this trade and then place our stop loss here. Yes, because they can be a consolidation, go up, come down, go up, come down, then finally push down. You get? So we can place our stop loss there. So flip the phone again. So right now I'm going to sell GBUSD. I'm going to sell GBUSD. So based on my account size, I can use this kind of lot size. Yes, based on my account size, I'm going to sell GBUSD. Okay, that's too big. Let me use 5.0. So you enter a trade based on your account size. So you can lose. Our advice to always lose just 2% of your entire capital. So you can see I'm already on a trade. I also trade volatility too. So if you need this pattern, this procedure works with volatility as well. So I trade volatility. If you are trading derived, ensure you join my Telegram channel. So now, having entered this, now our stop loss will be, because we can't enter currency trade without a stop loss. Our stop loss is this. So if I want to say, okay, we don't want to lose, okay, since the currency pair, I can take this. I can take this amount of, it should be about let's say 15 to, let's say this should be about 25 to 30 pips. Yeah. So our stop loss is 1.32315. 1.32315. So 1.32315. Now, how do you set your TP? That's another thing. So if you have watched this video to this far, thank you very much for watching this video this far. So let me tell you how you set your TP. TP, the way you set your TP is not the same way you set your stop loss. Let me explain. Now, from 30 minutes time frame, this let me use this marker. You see this trade will not get to this point. When you are trading head and shoulder pattern, this market will reach halfway. It always happens. I've always back tested it. I've back tested it over and over again. I've seen it always go halfway and then retrace. So it will not get to this last candle except there's a news. So it will reach halfway and then retest again. Probably continue the buy trend, which is the overall movement. Don't forget that the overall trend of this market is a buy trend. We're just catching a little bit retracement. You're just catching a little bit retracement based on the daily time frame is in our favor. There's a sell candle there. If there was not a sell candle there, I would not enter a sell. So the daily time frame is a strong confirmation for us. And the H4 also is corresponding to with that. So the 1 hour time frame too is as well corresponding to. So now, as I said earlier, our TP will be this. So pick up our horizontal line again and place it here halfway. So our TP will be 1.31472. 1.31472, 1.31472, 1.31472. All right, please do well to support my channel by subscribing to the channel. Like this video if I have given you value. Or if you have seen value in this video, please like this video, comment. If you have any problem, any question, please comment. I will answer you ASAP. Thanks guys for watching this video. See you in the next video. Bye.